So okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to bleed your brakes on your vehicle. So this tool guys makes bleeding your brakes a breeze, as you can do it by yourself, and it's a simple process guys. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how it's done. So here's our brake fluid reservoir guys, and the first thing we'll do is to remove the cap, and I'm going to extract a bit of that old fluid and add some new fluid guys, and then we can start our bleeding process. Okay guys, so to extract the fluid I'm going to be using this fluid extractor tool, and you can get these on Amazon guys for around $8. A great tool to have on hand guys if you're a DIYer. We just want to get some of that old fluid out guys, and then we can get some new fluid in. So I'll catch y'all when I get that done. So okay guys, we'll be using some .4 brake fluid. So I think I got enough out where I'm satisfied, as we are not doing a complete brake flush guys, but it is recommended if you're doing that you want to start at the furthest wheel from the master cylinder. So that would be your rear passenger wheel, then your left rear driver side, then your front passenger side guys, then the driver side. So we just did our calipers guys, so we're just doing a caliper bleed. So we just fill this up, and you want to make sure whenever you're bleeding your brakes guys, you want to make sure that the reservoir is always topped off, as you do not want air entering the system. So we'll just add some more guys and get that fully topped off. So now we can start the bleed. Okay guys, now that we got the bleeding tool all set up, we'll put our crescent wrench onto the screw to open it, and we'll push this nipple into the bleeder nipple guys, and then we'll open that bleeder screw slightly, and then we'll go ahead and pump the brakes guys. So let's get that done. Okay guys, so you want to inspect your lines for any air bubbles. That would mean you need to bleed the brake some more. So I do not see any guys, so we can go ahead and tighten our nipple. And I say guys, this tool here is very handy guys, as if you sometimes want to do a brake bleed manually, you need someone to help. So that brake is bled, and do remember to reinstall the cap before bleeding the brake guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. I see y'all on the next one. Thank you.